Hi, this is John with WTI, and right here I have one of the best gadgets that I've found in a while. So I'm constantly sending information, files, big files from my phone to my computer. And this guy is like a Swiss Army knife because it has a connection of USB Type-C, as you can see here, and you can have USB from one side to another. So I connect this guy to my phone to get big data or big gigabytes of videos, of images, or any information that I want to take fast from my computer to my phone, or vice versa. The good thing is that you have an SD slot that you can put a high capacity SD, take some information from your phone or tablet back to your computer. So, and you have the other ones that you have a card from your camera that if you want to take some big files from your camera, your digital camera, big videos, and they have a big storage. So if you're having this need, this Anker adapter is a great opportunity for you to grab. It's sturdy, high quality, it's made out of metal. You can see that's not that big, so you can put it in your backpack without any issue. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.